Congratulations on your new Whirlpool Dryer. Let's take a look at how to install this.
Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1 3/4 inch pliers, a flat blade screwdriver, a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket wrench, vent clamps, a level, and a utility knife.
Using your utility knife, make a cut along the top of the box so that it comes off like a lid. Next, make a cut at each corner. The edges of the box will fall open. Open the dryer door. Inside, you'll find the feet for the dryer, the registration card, and your use and care and installation guides. Now we have to tip the dryer over. Enlist the help of a friend to help you tip the dryer over. Lay the dryer down on the protective packaging. This keeps it from getting any scratches. Remove any additional packaging. Next, screw the dryer feet into place. Enlist the help of a friend to tip the dryer back up. Now it's time to connect the venting. Take the vent clamp and loosely place it onto the vent. Connect the vent to your dryer exhaust. Secure in place using a screwdriver. Make sure the dryer is in its final resting place and check to see if it's level. If you need to make adjustments, prop the dryer up and make adjustments to the dryer feet. Check again to make sure you're level. Now you're ready to use your new Whirlpool dryer.